Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Young Brooke here. Today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair without heat. So if you look at my Instagrams or Facebook at Hair by Young, so you will see I have so many hairstyles whatever I go to event or any occasion. I never ever have heat on my hair, you believe or not. So that's why I would love to share with you, and I believe I can do it, so you can do that as well. Don't think about because I'm hairdresser I can, but you cannot. Everything is possible because if you put time on it, practice, you can do it. Okay? Let's start. After wash, I blow dry my hair with cool air. So make sure on the scalp it dry so it doesn't get oily
What
easily.
I'm going to do, I divide my hair in two sections. So I take on the top section, put it up like that. So I use the roll like that, and I put my hair straight up like that. Then I wrap it around, like that. Just make sure the end of the hair is wrapped around so it's not frizzy. It's make sure it's flat and it's under of this hair, under here, so it's not flick out. Then I just roll that, wrap like that. Okay, so then I put over on the back, and because this is too loose, so that's why I twist this like that, and I put it over here. So hope you can see that, like that.
Would you like to know how to rose gold hair color at home with the color mask? Neck hair color mask. Check the link above there.
Okay, with this section I do the same. I put all my hair straight up. Make sure it's smooth. Then I use this roll again, and I put it in and wrap it around. No twist, hand up, and I smooth the end and wrap it around again. Make sure the end is under of this hair. It's not split out. Put under and wrap around. Wrap this, twist this. That's it. So I turn around so you have a look. This is how it looks like. So you can easy to sleep. You don't worry. It's just easy to sleep. That's it.
When you wake up in the morning, you can change any hairstyle you like. So that's what I have done. So it's very quick, just need 2 minutes in the morning. That's all. If you are a super busy woman, this is the best way for you. Right now you know how to curl your hair without heat. So I hope you enjoy video and start to learn, practice and do that for yourself. Please like and share to your friend and your family. Would you mind to comment below and let me know how long it takes for you to do it and what hairstyle you you have done with that. I could love to hear and to see what you have done. Also, if you need help, just let me know. Like when you do it, but the hair it turned out is not what you want, let me know. I will share with you how to get to the right hairstyle you. This is important. Would you like to join a community of women like you? Click to the link below where I share all tips and tricks and advice for you to more confident with your hair and love your hairstyle every day. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so to see the next video.